A state of emergency in Washington state after the first confirmed death in the US. The patient, a man in his 50s, not known to have travelled to China.
In Washington, we are starting to see some spread of this virus. Therefore, we do feel that the risk to the general public is increasing.
State health authorities are also battling a potential outbreak in a nursing home after 2 positive infections and as many as 50 people showing possible symptoms.
We're in the process of investigating this situation as an outbreak.
The US has followed Australia to tighten restrictions on arrivals from Iran with a 14-day mandatory quarantine period as concerns about transmission take hold. Health officials in the US now fear infected people are moving through the community here. It follows 3 confirmed cases on the West Coast, including here in California, of patients who hadn't been overseas nor knowingly been in contact with anyone else infected. South Korean authorities are stepping up their battle against the illness, deploying the army to sanitise public areas in the virus epicentre at Daegu. It comes after South Korea reported more than 800 new COVID-19 cases, its biggest one-day surge since the virus hit the country. The government urged citizens to stay indoors as it warned of a critical moment.
We ask you to refrain from taking part in public events, including religious gatherings or protests, this weekend.
In China, the impact of the coronavirus can be seen from space. These NASA images show the drop in pollution in the hardest hit areas, with factory activity hitting record lows as a result of strict quarantine measures. There's also been a surge in new cases in China after a drop in recent days. But it's the number of infected people who haven't travelled to countries struck by the virus that's challenging health authorities around the world.